Adam, the praiseworthy is the man that arrives with Torah biyado, that arrives in Shamayim with Torah biyado. Talmudo biyado. What does it mean, Talmudo biyado? The Chachamim say arrives with a book in his hand. What book? A book that he wrote, a Sefer Torah that he wrote. Meaning that even if you wrote Dvar Torah, a little blog, you have a little chidush on Parashat Chayei Sarah, you have a little chidush on Parashat Korach, you have something that you wrote, a little thing. You arrive in Shammai and say, "What'd you write?" "Yeah, I have a little blog, I have a little thing." All right, okay, you have something. You have something. Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai says that you have to have 186 days worth of Torah that you're going to learn straight. You're going to teach them in Shammai. Meaning that it's not just going to be, Moshe Rabbeinu, Korach. It's other chidushim that you have to have and develop over time. So the point is that the Torah continues to develop through you, through the things that you learn. And there are certain chidushim, there's certain insights that only you can get. No one else is ever going to get. Only you can get them. You have to learn those. You have to develop them. How? Hashem says that the Torah is easy. What does it mean, easy? If you learn, you're not going to know because you learned. You're not going to learn because. Why? Moshe Rabbeinu went to Mount Sinai 40 days, 40 nights. The Torah says, the Midrash says, Midrash Rabbah says, after 40 days, 40 nights, he forgot everything. Forgot everything. He said, Hashem, I forgot everything you taught me. Chavruta, best chavruta in the world, learn with Hashem, you forgot everything. What am I going to do? Learn again. Another 40 days, 40 nights. 40 days, 40 nights. What happened at the end? Hashem gifted him the Torah. Why did he gift him the Torah? He says, that's the lesson for Am Yisrael, to know. The learning that you're going to learn is not necessarily what you're going to get as results. That's not necessarily the results. The learning is like putting the right code on the safe. 1, 7, 8, 3, 3, 4, 7. The learning is earning the ticket. Earning the ticket, opening, that's the key, that's the key, that's the key. Eventually, you open a part of the safe, Hashem gifts you a bunch of Torah. It's not always necessarily the same. You learned for 1 hour, you didn't get 1 hour of knowledge. Sometimes you learn for 1 hour, but it was under Mesirut Nefesh. You were in a lot of pain. The wife is yelling, the kids are yelling, you're yelling, everybody's yelling, and it's not. An hour of Torah, Hashem gave you a week. A week of Torah. Sometimes you learn 4 hours, and you didn't get 5 minutes of Torah. Why? You're playing with the phone half the time. You're playing with the phone, you're eating ice cream, you're smoking 18 cigarettes, and you really weren't learning. So Hashem says, oh, you learned for 4 hours? You pretended to learn for 4 hours. I'll give you 5 minutes. Give you 5 minute chidush, nothing. So the point is that Hashem gifts you the Torah. He gifts you the Torah. The learning that you do is to earn it. It's to earn this Torah. This is why I give you shiur for 3 hours. I'm hoping by the end of the 3 hours I'll earn maybe 5 minutes more. Next question.
Next question.
Okay? How